In this video, I will show you how to add products to Shopify from Temu. So to do this, first you will need to have both a Temu and Shopify account. If you haven't created your Shopify account yet, you can click on the link down in the description to take you to this page and claim first of all a 3-day free trial, and then on top of that 3 months of Shopify for only $1, pound or euro per month. So if you want to claim that deal, you can get it through the link down in the description. Now after creating your store, you can go to apps right here, and then the app I recommend searching for is called Dropshipman. So go to search Dropshipman and then you can click it right there. Now if it's not available for some reason, you can just go to apps and go into the Shopify app store and then search for Temu, and then you'll find a bunch more apps that you can try. But from here, just click on install. And then it will take you in this case to Dropshipman, and you can again click on install, and then you have installed the apps that you can use for this. Now from here you have the step-by-step plan to go through, so choose a plan. They have a free plan available. They can find products and list products through Dropshipman, submit sourcing requests, orders fulfilled by Dropshipman, and then ultimately achieve dropshipping success with Dropshipman. So what you want to go and do is just go to the product selection right here, and then click Product Importer. Then select Import from Temu. And now here you can see you will need to install the Google extension. So click Install Google Extension, and you will need to use Google Chrome for this. But from here click Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. Now after adding the extension, go to Temu and just find the product you want to import, for example this product. And now you will see this button will appear that says Add to my product list. So click Add to my product list. Now as you can see, before that you will need to log in to Dropshipman, so go to extensions and click Dropshipman, and now you will need to go in and log in to your account. Now you can go to the Dropshipman Shopify app and then click settings and profile to see your email, and then to get your account password you can click reset and then set a new password as well as a verification code that will be sent to your email address. Now after you log in, it will then be connected to your Shopify Dropshipman app, and from there you can click Add to my product list and then go back to Shopify, and then in the product center you will be able to then find it right here. Now something else that you can do is put in a sourcing request by going again product selection and then sourcing request, and then you can use a sourcing request as well, so you can add a Temu product and then they will source that for you as well from a cheaper, maybe faster or more reliable supplier. But that's how to add products to Shopify from Temu. Now again, if you want to get the 3-month trial for Shopify, you can sign up through the link down in the description. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.